Whether you're off-grid or you're just away from home, this is the perfect charger to keep in your trunk at all times from EVDANCE. This way you'll always have a way to charge up your Tesla when you're away from home. What's up everyone? My name is James. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got with me, behind me, my 2019 Tesla Model 3, and I got sent to me by EVDANCE a level 1-2 portable charger. So this is a 110 volt and a 240 volt 16 amp NEMA 515 and 620 charger. This charger is perfect for you to take it anywhere with you, and this is basically how it comes shipped to you. Comes in a box like this, well packaged. You got your owner's manual, you have your carrying case to carry the charger, and you have the NEMA 515 plug adapter and the NEMA 620 240 volts, where you could just plug this in here if you want to go to 120 volt. And it comes all nicely packaged with a 25-foot cord. You got the charging gun and the charger itself. Okay, so this is everything unpacked. We got 2 Velcro straps to keep the cords together. We got the charging gun itself with this rubber cap to keep dirt and debris out when you're not using it. We have the charger itself with the LED light that changes different colors, whether it's charging, if it's connected, if you have a ground fault. So this is 120 volt or 240 volt. You could use this for your 240 volt, or you could just plug this in here, and now you can go into your 120 volt household outlet. This is perfect to keep in your car in case of emergencies. Say you stay over at a relative's house, they don't have a charger, you can just plug this into your 120 volt charger. So this is compatible with all Tesla models, the Model 3, the Model Y, the Model S, the Model X, and the Cybertruck. It has a wireless control, so you just push the button and it will open up your charging port. This has IPX6 waterproof rating, so you can charge this outside. It has over current protection, over voltage protection, all the protection you need. This also comes with a 25-foot cable, so you can easily reach your car from a plug outlet. This is currently on sale at the EVDANCE website. It's regularly $359 plus tax. Right now it's on sale for $187, and you guys can use my code to get an additional percentage off there. So just here in the Hustle Life garage, we got the Lamborghini Huracan, we got the Tesla 2019 Model 3 Standard Range Plus. We also got the Harley Davidson Electra Glide, the E-Ride Pro 2.0 SS. But let's see how easy it is to charge the Tesla with this charger. Now you can charge it from 120 volts home charger. I also got this Blue Yeti AC 200p, and this also has 120 volt charger. In outputs. So say you're going on a long drive and you don't know if there's going to be chargers, or just in case you go camping or something, I could bring this generator with me, plug this right into here, and see how fast, or at least charge my battery back up if I'm stranded in the middle of nowhere. So I can always keep this in the trunk along with this. But let's see how easy it is to plug into a standard 120 volt outlet. So to do that, you just take the adapter, because we're going to go to 120 volt. We're going to plug this in to here, and we're going to take the plug, 120 volt, just plug it in your normal socket, and this thing's going to light right up. It's going to light up blue, and that means it's standing by. So place this on the floor, and we'll take the other end, the charging gun, we'll hit this button here. It's going to open it, plug it in, and that's going from blue, flashing, to green. So go in to the car. I currently have 83%, and I have this set to, let's say I set it to 100 for a one-time charge. So it's saying 5 hours to get from 83% to 100. It's not a fast charge, but at least you got a way to charge your car through a 120 volt outlet. And when you're done charging, you just press the button, it's going to release, and you're done charging. But if you want to charge it at a faster rate at 240 volts, and you have this plug that takes the NEMA 520 plug, then you can charge it at 240 volts. Will give you a much faster charge rate. But what I want to test out is how I can use this. Say I'm in a stranded situation where there's no chargers around, I'm somewhere in the country, and I have this in my trunk, the Blue Yeti AC 200P. Now this is a 2000 watt, 120 volt. Right now we're at 100%. I want to simulate, I'm on low battery, how much this generator on a full charge will charge up the Tesla using the EVDANCE Level 1 charger. So I'm going to go run my daily errands in the Tesla, go down to the city, come back, and I'm going to plug the charger into the Blue Yeti. For you guys that don't know, this is a solar generator. You can charge it off household 120 volt charger or with solar panels, and currently it has 100%. I have the AC power here, and turn the AC power on, and I can charge it through that outlet. So in combination with Blue Yeti and the EVDANCE Level 1 charger, let's see how much charge I can get out of 100% battery on the generator using the charger. See how much battery I can get back into the Tesla. Okay, so I'm back home now, and the battery is currently at 10%, which is low. You shouldn't go that low, but I'm at 10%, and I'm going to charge this up with the Blue Yeti AC 200P. Right now I have 100% on the solar generator. I'm going to plug in the EVDANCE charger. So I'm going to plug this directly into the 120 volt outlet. And this is going to simulate if you're off grid and you need to charge up your battery. So I'm going to put the charger now. Basically, I could have the solar generator inside the car, roll down the window a bit, and just plug it in. But for testing purposes, we have everything here. So the charger's there, and let me just get enough cord. This is a 25-foot cord, so there's plenty of length of cord. And come here. I'm going to press the button on the controller. Well, maybe I'll just put that in. It's blinking blue. Now it's going green. We are charging now. From 10%, it's saying it's going to take 19 hours to get to the 80% limit. But I'm going to leave this charging, or I'm going to see how much battery I can get off this generator. So currently it's pulling in 1,370 watts, but already down to 98%. Let's see how much battery life I can get out of this. Okay, so that was about an hour or 45 minutes charging. We got out of the Blue Yeti. Blue Yeti's at 0%. So let's go walk into the Tesla. So we started off at, I think it was 10 or 11%, and we got 13%. So not much off the Blue Yeti, but it's enough to get you a couple of extra kilometers, hopefully to a charging station. But at least you can get something out of it. So charging has stopped. Now what I'm gonna do is just take this out. I'm gonna put it into a regular 120 volt. I'll go ahead and continue the charge. "15 hours. Time is 7:52 p.m. Probably by next morning this will be fully charged. But if you want some really fast charging, I also have from EVDANCE. This is their level 2 portable charger. It's 40 amps. And with this, I can plug it into my welder output, which I have over here. That's 240 volts. So I can just put this adapter on here. Let me go over here, plug this in. Now this will give me some fast charging. It has a digital display. Take this charging cord. I'll put this in here. We got that charging. It's going to adjust to the amperage that it feels it could handle, which I think I have a 30 amp breaker on there. So it might go to 24 amps. There we go, 25, 30 amps, 32 amps. Let's go to the charger. Sorry, let's go to the display of the Tesla. And 13% will get up to 80% charge in 3 hours, 35 minutes. So much faster charging. And with the app, you can monitor the charging. You can see what the voltage is. You can see what the amperage is, the current amps. And you can also slide the bar to stop charging or to start charging. You can check out EVDance's website. They got a lot of different chargers. I've been using all their products to charge up my Tesla with no issues at all. So link is in the description, and you can use my Hustle Life code to get a discount. So this charger I use whenever I'm at home, but this charger here, the level 1, 2, this is good to take if you go to a friend's house and they only have a 120 volt. Another one of my favorite products to use, I think every Tesla owner should have. With my charger being here and with this 25-foot cord that they give you for the charger, I can basically charge it anywhere in my garage. But if I want to go further, I got this extension. So that just plugs into there. And I got additional 40 feet. So with this, I can literally charge the Tesla anywhere. Anywhere on my driveway.